Kittens, welcome and welcome back to Kitten Noire. I'm starting a series here on my channel called The Beauty Vault. It's more about creating the excitement of rediscovering my own collection. Instead of buying things, I've decided to take random makeup items like face products. I put those things in there and then I wrap them up. So it's like Christmas, right? Christmas in July. I've decided to use the extra wrapping paper I had from Christmas last year and wrap these boxes up. I think this is one of the Amazon boxes, so this is reused as well. So I'm not being wasteful for the ones that care. I'm going to open this up like a Christmas gift on Christmas morning. And I have on my Christmas pajamas. It's Hello Kitty. Here are the products that are in here. I'm going to use this NYX Powder Louder brow pencil in the shade black. I wasn't originally going to wrap the boxes, but when I put it underneath my little Christmas tree, that's also a Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree, y'all. When I put it underneath the tree, it wasn't as cute as the ones that I did wrap, because I was already going to wrap the boxes from Amazon just for aesthetic purposes because they're not cute. So with the white boxes that I ordered from Amazon, I only wrapped those because the wrapped ones look so much better. This was a good way to celebrate Christmas in July without the extra spending. Another thing I decided to do to keep it simple was to only put the face products. I feel like that was so much easier. Even though, to me, choosing eyeshadow palettes is never easy. Christmas is already stressful enough. In July, it should not be stressful, y'all. It should not. Sometimes my brows are cousins and not exactly twins. I swear, but you know, they're still usually related. Okay, I'm going in with the setting powder, the one size setting powder. We have this and we have this. I don't know. I went downstairs to go make my coffee. I have 3 coffee pots. I have that pink one, the black Keurig, and then I have a regular little Mr. Coffee pot that I use every day because I just feel like the coffee is so much stronger coming out of there for whatever reason. And so I put the coffee in and I'm just standing there waiting for my coffee to brew so I can come and chat with y'all. And I started to smell something like a burning scent. So I'm like, y'all, how about I did not put water in the damn reservoir? Sitting there waiting for coffee, wondering why there's no coffee brewing. You didn't put water in it, honey. I think originally I would have done this gold. It's okay. I do think I'm going to get my shimmer out of here. I don't know. It has green. It's green. Y'all, we're just gonna roll with it. Hey, we're just having fun. How did I not know this was going to be green? Like, what? It's orange. That is kind of cool, though. I'm not gonna lie about that. Comes off orange, goes on green. Wow, that's crazy. This is actually a very nice glitter. Very beautiful glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner from Le Mercier from the Dollar Tree. This is a good eyeliner. So I'm going to take this foundation from Revlon in the shade 410 and I'm going to mix it with this one from Almay in the shade Caramel. And then it creates this. So for the cream bronzer, we have Fenty Beauty's Chocolate. I'm going to take this Pat McGrath brush right here. It's a foundation brush. Ooh. This might be a little too deep. I don't know, y'all. This is coming off as a contour. I don't know. Moving on to Juvia's Place Liquid Blush. Ooh. Oh my. I just know now to put 1 dot instead of 2. So for concealer, I'm going to use Cool Tan from LA, what is this? From LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to try going over this with the setting powder, even over the blush, and then applying the powder blush to see if that blurs it more. Yeah, I think that is so much better. Okay, now, ooh, my camera is on death row, y'all. Okay, so I changed my camera's battery, so we're back at 100%. So what do we have for powder bronzer? Oh, we're gonna do the Winky Lux bronzer in Espresso. All right, now we're gonna go in with the powder blush. We have a Miss Claus palette from BH Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna do these two. I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna use this for the all over face powder. And we have Bare Minerals Sheer Deep. The Milani Tentastic Face and Body Bronzer. That's a highlighter on me, so we'll use this as a highlighter today. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush right here and go in with the highlighter. All right, and we used all of the products. I'm gonna go in with my mascara, my NYX lip liner, and Espresso. All right, and just because I haven't worn this one yet, this is Crimson by Becca. It's a lipstick. It's like a red-orange lipstick, and I just want to see how it looks. Here's what it looks like. How do y'all like it? It's different. It's different, but it's nice, and it's exciting to try so many different products. Aside from my usual, I'm trying to figure out how much I like this makeup. I do really like it though. I think that it's a lot different. Definitely didn't expect the green glitter, okay? But I think it's beautiful. I think it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So I went and put on a green top. To accommodate the green glitter that I did not expect to pull out. But definitely let me know what you thought of this. I thought it was awesome. I realized I liked a lot of products that I haven't even tried, especially this Milani Tentastic bronzer. Like, I think the glow is beautiful. It really is, and it makes me wonder, why haven't I used this? Because I never gave it a fair chance, right? That, or who would have known I would have put these two eyeshadows together ever. You know what I mean? Like, and the Winky Lux bronzer, I haven't used this in forever. So happy Christmas in July, and I hope that you all enjoyed this as much as I did filming. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, kittens!